Hello, my name is Maria Elena Monsalve Palencia, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Bahía Solano. This is one of the most beautiful places in Colombia. It's a hidden paradise between the Colombian rainforest and the Pacific Ocean. It is a bay located in the department of Chocó. The duration of the trip must have a duration of 4 days. So that's the way you can enjoy the different activities that the place offers. Where to stay? You should go to the Ensenada Utría. It's a natural reserve of the municipality, or to watch whales, or even you can swim into the Pacific Ocean. The thing that you can eat is coconut rice and fried fish, and also you can drink agua panela. Thank you and have a great night.